To both of you first, Mrs. Somanathan, and I'm going to start by talking to you about the comments that have come in online, offline, on the channel as well. And the big one has to do with the removal of indexation benefits. Mrs. Somanathan, were you anticipating this kind of a blowback that you have received?
Yes.
You were?
I know that every time you do something on anything, and if it could possibly lead to a tax increase, and if it involves the class that watches CNBC TV, then it is going to have blowback. So we are very well prepared for this. We are not surprised at all. And every budget that has anything that might remotely increase taxes will have blowback. So it's not a surprise. No.
Okay, it's not a surprise, but let me ask you what the expectation now is, and the expectation is building up over the last 24 hours. The suggestion is that, look, the government needs to perhaps review the decision as far as removal of indexation is concerned. In fact, let me put to you what Mohandas Pai has tweeted, and he's tweeted...
he's one of the very poor people in this country, very affected by taxes. Yes, I agree.
He's tweeted to all of you saying, make all assets which had indexation grandfathered for value till April 24. This will keep honest taxpayers happy and reduce anger. Is that a suggestion that you're willing to take on board?
We take suggestions from everyone when we make our budget. We take suggestions from everyone when we respond to the budget in the reply to the budget, and we'll take all suggestions seriously, including that one.
No, but on a serious note, is there a possibility of a review? Do you take on board
It is not my job to discuss what the minister will say in her response, but I personally am not in favor of a review.
Not in favor of you. Mr. Malhotra, let me get you to, you both did explain the math behind the decision as far as the hike in rate, but the removal of indexation was concerned. But you believe that it hasn't been understood. Now, many are saying that with the removal of indexation benefit, people stand to lose, and perhaps there is a need to review the numbers itself.
Absolutely not. I feel, that the people will, the vast majority will actually, lose if we were to go back to the old system. It's not in their interest to go back to, indexation with a higher rate of taxation, which is 20%. So we have done our calculations, and I think the real estate industry also has, responded to it. And I saw, in the markets that the real estate industry, now that they have understood what it actually means, has come back, by about 7%. So any review, I think, will not be good for the industry. And may I also mention over here that in case the property that is actually sold, the proceeds thereof, rather, only the capital gains thereof, are used further to make investments in the same house, to buy another house in the same city or in another city, then there is no taxation involved.
Yeah.
So this is a very, very fair tax that has been imposed. This is a tax which is already there. It's if at all, for vast majority, I would say, that this is a decrease and not really an increase. And for some, if it is really an increase, then they were really not paying any taxes. They should really actually, be paying taxes. 12.5%, I think, is a very, very low tax rate when you compare it with taxes on income, which go up to, 39%, taxes on interest, which again, go up to 39%, taxes on house rent, all other incomes, they have a higher tax rate. So if at all for some who were not paying these taxes, if it is going up to 12.5%, I think it is fair for everyone to pay those kind of taxes.